guys, Charlie over here. How you doing, guys? Today I have a surprise for you. Dun 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 dun. Ah, this is so boring. Don't say this is boring. This is super good. The cables are USB Type C. This is USB Type C. Here's the USB Type A. This thing is Type A, and this is micro. You can use any of them, but I picked this one because I like these ones. So now what it does, what this thing does, it delivers battery from one phone to another phone. So you connect it with your mobile phone, and then you connect it, and then you connect the power. As you can see, there's little slots. You have to connect it here inside, and then for this cable, you do it on your device. This is Kindle because I'm not charging it for real, and so like whatever. So you charge it here, and then voila! It delivers the battery of all this cable all the way to here. For Kindle, if it's orange, that means it's charging. So I'm just gonna take the cable out. And now, what not to do? This thing is a very serious thing that could not touch water. If you touch it with water, it will immediately explode. I mean, it will not explode. Sorry. That was way too dramatic. When you plug it in from this one, and then you charge it here, and then you charge it to here. I have bad news, guys. Get ready to say goodbye to your phone. But I didn't put it in water, so I'm not gonna say that to my phone. So it's not my phone. So if you like this video, please smash that like button and turn that notification. Turn on that notification bell and sign the subscribe. Bye, guys.